In this video, I will show you how to find the best motion array templates for your YouTube videos. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Once you're in Motion Array, on the top left you'll see Video Template. You can then choose the editing software that you are using. So I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. You then have filters on the left that can help you refine your search. So I'm looking for a transition. I want it to be horizontal. I'm looking for 4K and I'm using the 2025 Premiere Pro. You can then use the search bar to refine your search even further. So I will type YouTube. You will then see a number of different transitions that I could use for YouTube. I can then refine my search even more by popular or newest, depending on what you are looking for. If you toggle your cursor over the transition, you will see a preview of it. If you like it and do not want to download it now, you can simply tap the plus sign and it will add this transition to your collection. And if you want to download this transition, there's a downward arrow with a line underneath it. Select that and your transition will begin downloading. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.